Try to make a little nameplate for this. Show you little signs I make. This is you put a little nameplate right there on the top of it. Buddy's name. Never really did brass too much on this machine. I tried one a minute ago, but my machine took a crap. I had to do some maintenance on it, and we'll see what happens here now. Looking good so far. But this sheet brass, whatever, I don't know the thickness, I didn't like or anything. I just wonder if there's a better way to cut that. If I get any good ideas on cutting it, comes out looking halfway decent. I cut it on this little mini here, just to get a piece off of it. I wasn't too pressed about the ends right now, but now that I'm looking at the hack job, I was wondering if there's anybody a little info on cutting that brass. But we'll see how this turns out. I figure I'd try to trim it up a little bit on the belt sander or grinder or something. I don't know. I'm sure it's not going to look the greatest, but I'll buff it out. It should be alright. See what happens. Looking halfway decent so far. I know my bit I got in there ain't the greatest either. I've been making these videos. I can't get nobody to watch them, but be nice if someone had the same interest in the CNCs. I'll give it a few more minutes here, see if get a little more detail out of this. Shut her down. Yeah, I know. Recording these with my phone ain't the greatest either. I guess if people start watching, I'm gonna buy a camera. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a camera, go through the whole process of the way I make these little signs. Gotta get some lights, all that good stuff. I put a lot of work in these little signs. Just the wood, planing it, routering it, cutting it, routering it, varnish, you know, it's time consuming. Then running the CNC on the, you know, the artwork and put name tags on them, put trim on them. You know, it's time consuming. And don't get no money out of them really. Cigarette money. But it keeps my head occupied. Keeps me in a safe place. Yeah, I did one a minute ago. Gee, I don't even know what I did with it. I'll show you, but I can't seem to find it right at the moment. There it is. yeah, I was doing this one here and went right through there. The washer right here popped out on the side, so the whole machine was discombobulated. So I just got it back together and I don't know, try it out, see what's going on here. I ain't been happy with this machine since I got it. I mean, I like the machine, but the people I got it from AliExpress, Kings something or another, I don't know. I don't recollect. Maybe my next video I'll remember by then. But yeah, the instructions were in Chinese. They didn't send the relay for the spindle motor. Half the screws is missing. What else? All the software was in Chinese, so that was fun. Absolutely no instructions. Bunch of videos in Chinese. Oh yeah, that's just what I want to watch. But I don't know if there's anybody out there who got an idea on cutting this grass better. Please give me your thoughts and opinions. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have to shut her down. Have a good one, YouTube land. Please like.